Okay, so I'm just gonna put one more layer of top coat on this because I've done all the other steps now. So I'm just gonna put one more layer of top coat and I'm gonna cure it in a lamp just to get that nice little shine on there. Because it was easier to put to shape the nail after I put the top coat on, the first layer of top coat. So I'm just gonna put one more layer of top coat on just for this nail. So it looks nice and shiny. I love the shiny effect. I'm not really into the matte look. Oh, there's like a little glitter in here. Okay. And I'm just gonna cure it in a lamp really quick. So just a moment. Yeah. You probably see my lamp light. 30 seconds in the lamp, y'all. Thirty seconds in the lamp. And I'm just waiting for it to cure, of course. And the fun part will come after this. In 2, 1, boom. Okay. Here's the 30 seconds. Now the fun part is putting the design on with all these cool blingy products. Which one should I use? This array of rhinestones and whatnot and beautiful colors and all this great stuff and more rhinestones. What should I do? What should I do? I think that I will go ahead and do what I'm going to do, figure it out, and you guys, and I will make the reveal video. I don't think I'll do this one on camera. So I'm going to go ahead and do the nail, and then I will make a reveal of this nail that I'm doing. Okay, this ombre nail. I don't know if y'all can see the ombre or not. It's a light pink into white. However, it is a little hard to see the white on here, but it does ombre into white, just as my other nails do. And that one's full white, by the way. But that's what I'm going to do. Yep.